Hello again, everybody. This is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. I want to start off by saying thank you and continue to subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgins Dodd RV. We're located in Yorktown, Virginia, on Route 17 in between Denby Boulevard and Fort Eustis Boulevard. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320G. 3 slide outs. We got the patio deck on the back. Let's take a look. All right, so starting on the outside of the Momentum G-Class 320G, you'll see we ordered with awning toppers over your slide outs. You do have LED lights on the front cap. This particular one we ordered generator prepped. So you can order it with the generator prepped or without. Spot for your battery. You are also prepped for side mount cameras. So Furrion is doing the backup and the side mount now. Spot for your propane bottles, 130 on either side. This is a 50 amp service, equipped with 2 air conditioners. Other side of your pass-through storage. Your convenience area here, your docking stations for cable, outside shower, your water pump, your city water connection, your pull valves for your black tank, low point drains, feed everything right through the bottom so you can keep that door closed, well insulated. Also have your ground control, your auto leveling. So your controls are here to disconnect from the truck and do set the auto leveling on one convenient location. Back side of your furnace and your hot water heater. Your black tank flush. Again, the rear jacks for your 6-point leveling and also your sewer connection. We also have a fuel fill station, so you've got a fuel holding tank as well. Built-in ladder for access to the roof. Rear tailgate has lockable latches, easy to use. LED lights and an awning that goes over the back patio, and you are prepped for backup camera. Spring assist, so this deck is not super hard to lower down. Basically one hand can lower it down. Here are the cables that hold it up for your patio. And I'll show you a brief setup of the patio system. All right, so I'm on the back of the 320G. Going to show you the setup of the gate for the rear patio. Coming to us, there is one strap. Gates are on wheels. They lock right into place. So there's the patio set up. Give you a nice little different look here. Latched it on the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 latches. Pretty easy connection. There are steps that hook onto the end. So if you're looking to come in and up off the patio, it's a great place for pets. Again, you can put the awning out over top of it. The benches will fold up flush to the wall. I'll show you that as well. And the ladders will be one for the top bunk and one located inside for the loft bed. All right, so patio deck is out. It's time to bring it in and stow it away and close the door. Here's the process. Shut your first door. And then there's your second door. Both doors are locked, secured. There is another strap that holds these in place for travel. Remove the steps. Door lifts right up, you're all done. Then also raising that ramp back up again. One hand basically. Might want to do two hands to be on the safe side. You're not going to be holding the camera when you do it. You have a rear entryway, 4 aluminum steps to go into the garage. Has its own light, has its own awning. Outside speakers. Other side of your propane. Your pass-through storage. Nice feature, your outside shower. You got a spray port on both sides. Electrical receptacles and hookup for a TV. Your battery disconnect, motion sensor lighting. The Furrion Lit is basically, this is a charging port for a Furrion speaker slash light. So it's rechargeable. You can take it around the campground, sync your phone to it. And then you've got plug-ins here for iPhone or for your Android. It's a nice little charging area they're doing inside and out. Going into the 320G. Nice light linoleum floors. Theater seating. Your TV, fireplace. 4-door gas electric fridge. Nice countertop space. Good amount of cabinet space there. Pantry. Down low and up high. Again, over the TV storage. There's that Jensen CD AM FM stereo with Bluetooth. And then you can control that Rockford Fosgate system there. Receptacles throughout. Recliners. The Thomas Paine has heat, massage, LED lights. Recline. All 3 will recline. Got blackout shades, which are nice. Tons of lighting. You've got the loft area here. You have a ladder in the garage that you can use to get up there. But nice space up there. It's got its own AC vent and lights. Again, storage underneath the sink is a good spot for your trash can. Plenty of drawers underneath the oven. Good amount of space. Furrion, you've got the exhaust hood, microwave, nice little bottle opener. They think of everything at Grand Design. Going up this side hallway, nice little tub shower there. Overhead skylight, exhaust fan, deep storage. Floor area to sit. Storage underneath your sink. Nice vanity. Solid door going into the bedroom. Again, your second AC. Controls for your bedroom slide. There's a nice wardrobe. Hanging storage on either side. Deep drawers. Another charging area. Spot on either side of the bed. The bed does lift up. Table that can go in front of the sofa. And then also the pedestals for out in the garage, which I'll show you as well. Queen walk around bed. It is 60 by 80. You can order it with the king. Your backer for a TV in the bedroom. Going out into the garage. Prep for washer dryer. Half bath. Another spot for TV. Controls for your roof fan, your awning, your lights. Controls for the beds. So the bed setup. Got two sofas that lower down. I'll show you where those pedestals go that run to the master bed. For a table here. Sofas do have cup holders. Or can easily be dropped down to make a bed. Alright, another thing would be you're trying to use the Toyhauler as a garage. So you want to pull something up the ramp into the garage. The gates are in the way. The patio is out parallel to the ground. So here would be the removing of the gates or folding them out of the way, either way setup. So folding them out of the way is one possible situation. Here's your ramp. You can drive right up and down the ramp, load the four-wheeler, the golf cart, motorcycle into the garage. Another option would be remove the ramp gates altogether. You can remove both of the gates, store them on the wall, in your garage at home. And now you have a ramp. Obviously, once you move the ladder, steps, rug with the full garage, easy setup. Now the ramp is down, you got your stuff out, and you want to make it back into a patio. Cables are attached. Lift up. Now you're back to patio setup. Put your gates back on, and you've got the full patio usage again. Easy setup as a ramp, as a patio. You also have the cross breeze built-in screen. This brand new 2020 Grand Design Momentum 320G, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. 757-833-3633. Subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgins RV. Travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes going on daily. Thank you. Have a nice day.